For the past year, I have been planning to build a summer hut right here at our campsite. From today, we are going to build it.
Can I read it from your eyes? Can we lay and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What if we stay? What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes?
Welcome to our channel. This is the building process of WildRock Camp's newest project, Horizon Hut. We have already cut some trees, teak trees to be exact. These are coconut leaves. We are going to use these for the roof of the summer hut. This is the road to our campsite. Today, we are transporting materials to campsite by our hand because the campsite is located in a forest, so we are unable to take any vehicle up there. This is the location we are going to build the Horizon Hut.
We originally thought to build the hut around this tree, but there are so many branches and dirt and rocks, so many things going on here. Instead, we are going to build the summer around this tree.
Oh, we can take this as a seating area. Here, and there. We can make it seating area. We can have a table at the middle. So this is gonna be awesome.
So guys have transported every timber we have cut to build the summer hut.
So it's been raining here for a couple of days now. That's why there are so many leaves at our campsite. Whenever I come to campsite, I'm always going to the viewpoint. Here's the viewpoint. So we need to climb from here to here. We need to go up there. This is WildRock's viewpoint.
If I drown, would you pull me back to you? If I drown in your poison.
That mountain is called Padigara, and way up here, that is Hambantota.
Would you pull me back to you? If I drown.
When you climb up here, it's so quiet. It's like we can feel the nature.
In your poison.
It's the end of the first day and the first episode. See you guys at second episode. Bye.